How to log in to Sweat Wallet account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your Sweat Wallet account. Whether you're new to the Sweat Wallet or need a quick refresher, the step-by-step guide will make the process super easy. Now, first things first, if you don't have the Sweat Wallet app yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Sweat Wallet. And what you need to do is simply download it. After you've downloaded it, simply open it. Now, once you open the app, you'll be greeted with the login screen. Here you'll see options to either log in with your existing Sweat Wallet account or sign up if you're new. Since we're focusing on logging in today, tap the login button. Now you'll need to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Sweat Wallet account. Then type in your password. Make sure both are entered correctly. If you don't remember your password, you can simply tap on forget password also. And once your credentials are verified, you'll be logged into your Sweat Wallet account.